In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a bank account from QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you need to stop a bank feed connection. Maybe you've switched banks, closed an account, or you just don't want transactions importing automatically anymore. Whatever the reason, disconnecting a bank account in QuickBooks Online is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, go to the section labeled Transactions. When that expands, select Bank Transactions. Depending on your version, this might also show as Banking, but it's the page where you see all your connected bank and credit card tiles. Once the Bank Transactions page loads, you'll see a row or grid of account tiles, each one representing a bank or credit card account you've connected. Find the specific bank account you want to unlink. Take a second to double-check you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have multiple accounts with similar names or the same bank. Click on that bank account tile to open its details. At the top right area of that account section, look for a small pencil icon, which represents Edit. Go ahead and click that pencil icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Account Info. This will open the settings window for that particular account. In the Account Info window, you'll see various fields like the account name, type, and detail type. What we're interested in here is the option to disconnect the account. Look for the checkbox that says Disconnect this account on save. Check that box. This tells QuickBooks that once you save, it should stop downloading new transactions from this bank account going forward. It will not delete your existing data, but it will break the live connection. After you've checked that box, click the Save and Close button at the bottom of the window. QuickBooks will process that change and attempt to disconnect the account. Sometimes you might see a message saying that the account is currently downloading transactions. If that happens, don't worry. It just means QuickBooks is in the middle of syncing with your bank. Give it a few minutes, then return to the same account, repeat the steps, and try saving again once the download is complete. And that's all there is to it. You've now disconnected a bank account from QuickBooks Online while keeping your historical data intact.